guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a quick little video kind of showing how I package up Merry Mail. These little goodie bags are from Dollar Tree. I already melted one that I sent to my friend. She was my guinea pig, so I sent it to her. I didn't have any extras to melt because they do melt really easily. So when I do find more at a Dollar Tree, I'll test it again with the settings that everybody recommended. But for now, I just used some snowflake, and then I cut out the word Merry Mail with my silhouette cameo and hot glued it on there because I wasn't about to try to melt it. You guys saw my tutorial for these like file box things. Just did a handmade with love, and then I used some faux snow from Dollar Tree. They have it in other colors, but I just used my white one. I used embellishments that I had last year, some flowers from Lori, who's creating for fun, some Christmas sentiments. Those are from Veronica. She makes these in her shop. Some tags from the Hey Santa collection. And then on the inside, I made this book box file folder thingy to fit this die right here. It's like a snowflake die. I bought these from Christina's shop, KG Crafts. And then I just glued like kind of like a icicle, I guess, drip on there. And that fits perfectly in there. And then I got some cottage cut dies, or the winter boots. I just stuck them in this little cute, it almost looks like snow, little baggies from AliExpress. And then I used all of my die cuts from the group swap. A lot of die cuts were gifted to me, so I was able to use them. I just stitched the top, and I have a tutorial on how to make sequin mixes, and I used these little foam snowflakes from Hobby Lobby. That goes in there. And then these candy canes, I just stuck some of my new AliExpress, look at that, snowflake trim on there. So cute, kind of like just like a little bow in there. That this fits a lot with the 1/2 inch gusset that's on this box. And then I have these socks. Again, this die is from AliExpress. It says Cozy Wishes. I use these flowers. These are from Sweet Crafty Gal. I purchased a bunch of them, and so I was able to use it on my little socks. So the socks are gonna go in there. And then I also have these little organza bags. These are from the baby shower section at Dollar Tree. Little Hobby Lobby snowflake, some like gems and beads and charms in this little like container from Dollar Tree. The little balls from Dollar Tree. That's just gonna be fun. And that's one more thing that's supposed to go in here is I stitched just two because I made so many. This round versus Halloween round of racks versus this round. So I just have two little word die cuts that are gonna go in here as well with the sock and then my little charm thing. And then I'm gonna wrap this, fold that over. No, I hauled it, I need to use it, is this like wire wrapped stuff. Okay, and let's hope that it, like working with barbed wire. Okay, that's gonna go like that. One of my little Merry Mail. So, and then I made these cute little tags. These are using the Dollar Tree. I painted them pink. Stuff from Joann's. This is a bright pink. I don't even know what color this is. Panic pink. Ooh, yes. And then I'm gonna put some ribbon. I know I want to add jingle bells to this. I wonder if I should add pom-pom trim to this. I want this to kind of hang, you know, but I also want a tag on here. Okay, so my camera cut out. I went ahead and used one of the cut apart pages from Merry Days. It's like the tags. I hole punched it. I added some thickers, some candy cane thickers. I got these from the Polkadot pine cone shop and on YouTube, and I just stuck it on the tag, the letter A, and then I added a bell in those like Hobby Lobby ornament ball things. Kind of just offsets it, and then it looked a little plain, so I went ahead and added some just good old AliExpress pom-pom trim at the top, and I think that really helped finish it off and made it look cute. So yeah, that is my quick little project share, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.